Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to shorten the length of your jean while you keep the original hem. If it's something you're interested in, then let's get started. For the hem of these jeans, I want to take out 4 inches from it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold it. Since the hem is on a fold, I'm going to measure 2 inches. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pin it. I'm going to do this round the hem. I'm going to measure 2 inches, then I'm going to pin. After pinning up the hem, I'll go to my sewing machine and sew around the hem. So guys, this is how it looks like once I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is just to fold it inside. After that, I'm just going to press the hem so that it won't look weird. After pressing my jeans, I'll go back to my sewing machine to top stitch the hem of the jeans. After top stitching, we are basically done. You can actually cut off the excess allowance, but I will not be doing that. I'll just go and stitch it to my jeans. I'll stitch the allowance to my jeans. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.